Daddy, you're gonna start spinning me, okay? That's start spinning me. And also, I'm gonna make this cube. Daddy, I'm just gonna do the.
Alright.
Daddy, I'm just gonna do the simple scramble real quick. All right, hey guys. My last words are bada boom. Dad, start the spin. I'm not gonna start doing the moves yet, but Dad, don't go too fast. All right, I'm starting to solve. All right, Dad, go faster. All right, I'm solving you. Airborne. Feet. Airborne. Daddy, stop it, stop it. Dad, we're halfway through my turn right now. Where did my cube go? But Dad, we're halfway through my turn, so let's do the other half. Let me just do the simple scramble. Mom, could you turn the lights back on?
Sorry.
It's okay. Dad, start it. Alright, don't go too fast, okay? Alright, time to start solving. Oh, this is hard. Alright. Daddy, start going faster. Cube, everyone. Faster. Please, that faster. Dad, I got that! Guys, Dad, where's my Rubik's Cube? Guys, for proof, I solved the cube. So guys, this was the simple scramble that I did. So let me just do the scramble. This was the simple scramble that I did. And I solved it. And I did those. And then boom, I solved it. It was quite the most easiest thing in my life. At the low speeds. Dad, I needed my faster speeds. Ow! Dad, I'm going to set the whole recording onto YouTube. And the recording has my face. What I say again? Dad, could I put this recording onto YouTube?
Still going. You have to edit and stuff to make it even.